If you lose your only source of income, what happens next? No money, no backup, no options. That's why relying on just one income is the biggest financial mistake you can make. In today's world, having one income is not security, it's risk. Millionaires don't depend on one paycheck, they build multiple income streams. In this video, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step system to build multiple income streams, even if you're starting from zero. Let me tell you something. Two people earn the same salary. Person A spends everything. Person B builds extra income streams. After 1 year, nothing changes for person A, but person B now has 2 to 3 income sources. Same starting point, completely different future. 1. Active income. This is your main income. Job or business, it pays your bills, but it's limited by time. You work, you earn. You stop, leads to income stops. That's why this alone is not enough. Pro tip. Use your active income as fuel to build other income streams. 2. Side hustle. This is your first step toward freedom. Start small. Freelancing, video editing, content creation, online services. Even earning $100 per month matters, because now you're not dependent on one source. Secret. Your side hustle today can become your main income tomorrow. 3. Digital income. This is where real leverage starts. Create once. Ebooks, courses, templates, and sell again and again. This is how you break the time equals money rule. Example, create a simple PDF guide, sell it multiple times for. Affiliate income. You don't need your own product. Just promote someone else's product and earn commission. Platforms. Amazon. Digital products, beginner-friendly plus scalable pro. Tip, use YouTube or Instagram for traffic. 5. Investment income. This is where money starts working for you. Instead of saving money, learn to invest it. Stocks, long-term assets. Slow, but powerful rule, don't rush. Think long-term. 6. Online business. This is the highest level. Build a system. YouTube channel, e-commerce store, personal brand. This can scale to unlimited income. Truth. Most millionaires have a business reality check. Let's be real. This is not easy. You won't become rich overnight, but if you stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, your life can completely change. Final message, 13 to 14 minutes. Don't try to build everything at once. Start with one income stream. Master it, then add the next, because real freedom comes when your income doesn't depend on one source. Start today. Start small. But start now. Subscribe for more business, money, and success strategies, because your journey to financial freedom starts here.